Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you're fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness, and you have a lot of fun in your life. And this is me Asya, and today I show you in this video my stylish and latest collection of low maintenance hairstyles for girls and women. Many much more different ideas of low maintenance hairstyles. With beautiful haircut, eye-catching hair dye, and many much more latest collection, latest ideas. Different ideas of hairstyle in low maintenance. So attractive ideas of spiky hairstyle. Beautiful collection of messy hairstyles. And some collection of low maintenance fine hairstyle. Different ideas of hair dye. Blonde color, burgundy color, light brown, dark brown. Black color, grey color. Some ideas in funky colors. So beautiful ideas of highlights in blonde color, in burgundy color, in funky colors. Different ideas of haircut. Pixie haircut, bob haircut. Shaggy haircut, wedge haircut. And different type of cut, some ideas layered, deep layered. Some ideas step, undercut. And the latest type of cut, choppy haircut, notching haircut, cropped haircut. And so beautiful ideas over a collection. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice. Very stylish, and you look too gorgeous. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you, please do subscribe my channel. Like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others. And please fully support me. Support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support, your help. So I hope you do this. And share it all over social media accounts. So friends, thank you so much for watching my video. Take care and bye bye.